What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Daily Doge, and my name is Gavin. Now, today we're going to be going over some of the top stories in cryptocurrency. We're going to be going over Litecoin, new regulations with the SEC, and a bunch more, so stay tuned. So starting off first, we got Litecoin, which there was a news release published today that was claiming that Walmart was going to accept it as payment. However, that turned out to be fake. And as you guys can see here on the charts, in 1 hour, Litecoin went up 25% plus and crashed the whole way back down. Now, if you're going to be buying cryptocurrency on these types of things and selling when it comes out to be false, I would not recommend you to be buying cryptocurrency. That is definitely not the way to be trading. Very volatile. But I thought it was really interesting that illegitimate news like that could increase the price so quickly and drop within an hour. Next up, just going over Bitcoin's chart and what it's doing. I really like this chart, and this guy did a really good job showing what he's looking for in the future. We can see that there's a bullish divergence on the chart, as well as 3 touches of support, which is a high probability setup. Now, I'm not recommending to play it. I'm not a financial advisor. However, I do really like how it looks. You can see that the price is going down, and on the RSI, which is the relative strength index, you can see that it is going up, and that is what is known as a bullish divergence. So I would keep your eyes on that. Obviously, Bitcoin's been struggling the past week, and further on in the video, we'll talk about why I think it's a good buy. Next up, I found this really interesting piece of information where Ukraine is also considering adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Now you can see here, Ukraine has 15 nuclear reactors that it could mine Bitcoin with. And there's a lot of speculation around it still, but I thought this article did a really good job about talking about it. Yeah, now, as it says, just days ago on September 8th, the Ukrainian parliament passed a law that legalized and regulated Bitcoin in the country. And that's kind of following in the same path as El Salvador. They legalized and also mandated businesses to accept it as payment. And now Ukraine is looking like it could do the same thing. I thought this article was really interesting because Ukraine has a very diverse energy mix that could draw in global Bitcoin miners. And the country is heavily dependent on nuclear energy. So as their president said, our country is rapidly transforming and adopting innovations. Over the past year, we have managed to make a real breakthrough in the digital sphere. So I am really excited to see how this plays out, and I will keep you guys updated on that situation, but I am looking forward to it. Next up, not really that important, but Elon Musk just got a new dog, and it is a Doge. So maybe that's a subliminal message to his followers and fans that he is definitely still a Dogecoin supporter, although I don't think he will come out and say it just yet. I think he's waiting for the right timing, but also just a cute Doge. So that is, yeah, nothing really to say about that. All right, so last but not least, I found this article really going into how the SEC is currently regulating crypto. And there are some people who are really not a big fan of what's going down. So basically what happened is Coinbase is, I guess, trying to lend products for customers who hold digital assets. And they approached the SEC for guidance on their product. However, the SEC was demanding a list of all their clients who had expressed interest. And they're basically just trying to regulate by enforcement, as you can see right here. And then the agency argues that XRP, the native digital currency used by Ripple and other companies on an open source decentralized ledger, has been an unregistered security since it was introduced in 2013. Now, everything here is pretty new. There's always going to be some mishaps, and not everybody's going to be happy. However, depending on how the SEC can continue to regulate, will definitely impact cryptocurrency in a major way. And that's a lot of speculation, on how it will play out. But obviously there's some people not happy when, they're just not able to run their business how they would like to. So without congressional oversight, a regulator can run roughshod over the law. Why was Ethereum blessed? Why its rival Ripple was sued? And Jesse Powell, CEO of Coinbase's rival Kraken, had a really good response to this. Regulators are beating down good actors because it's convenient. And he asked, who is behind the effort to drive domestic businesses and consumers offshore? As you can see, there's not everybody's happy about this, but the SEC is probably doing their best. However, not everybody is liking it. So that is what I found for you guys today. I'm hoping that gave you guys a little bit of clarity and gave you your daily information on the cryptocurrency markets. If you guys learned something from this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up or following me. I'm going to be pumping out videos every day. My name is Gavin. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.